Hello and good morning. I'm Brittney Hiller. Hi everyone. Your embodiment coach, massage therapist, and yoga teacher, founder of Effervescence Yoga Studio and Spa. I'm a speaker and a children's author. Today I wanted to come in and give you 5 minutes of inspiration. I have been currently enjoying this beautiful book from Ionic Silver called The Cosmic Journal, which I got from Hay House Publishing. Publishing house that I truly adore and admire and will one day be published by. Hashtag claim it. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead. Hey, Della, good morning. And I wanted to give you a little snippet of this amazing book and just to share with you my insight around this entry. Sorry, I just finished yoga, so I'm still on that Shavasana high. If you don't know what that is, you need to join me for yoga so you can feel it because it's amazing. Woo! Okay. So today's journal entry, according to Ionic Silver, is a light can only grow brighter by lighting another and lighting another and lighting another. And so what this means today is our 5 minutes of inspiration comes from here. No matter how much you may try, you cannot diminish light by lighting more light. Our light grows brighter and brighter with every spark, every fire, every inferno, or supernova ignited. One light can spread through a family, community, city, company, or even the galaxy. Light only grows and expands. Lighting another's fire may be teaching, encouraging, providing comfort, or even serving. Take teaching, for example. Some people believe that if they teach, then they reduce their chances of the same idea or tactic working for them again. This is not true. Very much not true. Teaching enables you to light so many other candles that you are then able to see your next steps on the evolutionary path. It opens up a space for you to step through into what's next for your journey. There's something perfect about evolving and growing through teaching and lighting. The next group to help light your way forward. So what this means, my friends, is that as you light up others by sharing your knowledge with others and allowing them to flourish through your knowledge, understand that what you're doing is you're creating that ripple effect within the world. So often when we go by this idea of competition or comparison or compare and despair, I like to say, what we're doing is we are actually diminishing the opportunity for so many other people to learn. And just think about what we're doing there, right? We're gripping off the opportunity for other people to learn. We're suffocating the opportunity for other people to learn. By not teaching what we know, by not sharing our gifts of what we know and our knowledge, we are limiting the opportunity for other people to grow. So, with that being said, I invite you to share what it is that what you know. What are your talents? What are your gifts? What are your dreams, desires? Share with those that you know. And for example, I see this often. I'm in the yoga community. I'm a yoga teacher. I own a yoga studio. And for so long, when I was first starting out, the notion of my clients, my students, was said often. And to me, that seems a little harsh because we don't own people. We can't choose for others what their own decisions will be. And that's a good thing because would you want to be controlled? Would you want to have somebody own you? No, I don't imagine so. And so with that notion, especially as a massage therapist as well, the same thing. Often people would say, those are my clients. I'm not going to share my clients with other people. I'm sorry, but I wouldn't say this. And the reason being is because I can't help everybody. I'm not an acupuncturist. I'm not a doctor. It's just I can't help everybody with all of their problems. And so I look for ways of sharing my knowledge with others, but not only that, inviting other people who have amazing skills and qualities and talents to share their knowledge with others. because I don't own anybody. Nobody is my anything. And instead, together as a group, we light each other's fire, and by lighting each other's fire, we allow other people to flourish. So I invite you to do that today. Think about one thing that you may have been holding back from sharing because you're afraid somebody's going to steal it, right? You're afraid somebody's going to steal it. I'm sorry, but the majority of the things that we have out here in the world right now has already been created before. It's just another way of doing it. I love to bring out the idea of think of all of the different styles of toilet paper, especially right now. The different companies of toilet paper that are made, especially right now. And think about if one business made toilet paper and then everybody else around them thought, I can't make toilet paper because that business is already making toilet paper. They're putting their own extra spin on it. There's a difference between Charmin and there's a difference between Cottonelle. One has a little bear on it, one doesn't. You know what I mean? So I invite you to share your gifts. What is it that you can share with others, that you can spread with others, that you can allow others to learn from you with your own unique flair? That is my inspiration for you today. A little bit over 5 minutes. That's all right. If you desire to learn more with me, I have a really fun course called Change Your Life with Laughter. It's a mini course, super inexpensive, and it's available for you right now. So check that out on my website, brittneyhilleryoga.com. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Go shine your light so others may flourish with you.